Doon na lang siguro lang. Ay, nakatagilid lang din. Nakatagilid lang. Katulad ng ganyan. Pero sa baba lang.
So, nandito na kami sa aming destination. So, look at that. What a view. Green fields. Green. So, maraming nagbabakasyon ngayon kasi holiday bukas. So, dito pwede mag-overnight. Pero, titingnan namin kung mag-overnight kami dito or uuwi. Malaman. Daming mga kambing, nagpapakain sila ng mga kambing din. Dami. Lalaki ng kambing. Sa kabilang dami. Okay. Taray.
Isip.
Ano gagawin mo? Magkikisa? Ay na ang isa. Ay, hindi pang ready. Wait lang. Uy, wait lang. Sige, ayan, pupunta na sa'yo. Yan. Lalaki. Pahinga ko na isang tangkay. Pahinga ko tangkay isa. Oh, come here. Chuchu. Chuchu. Ang lalaki. Natahol. Aso ata ito eh. Aso ba ito? Paano mo yun, no?
Kasi hinihigit niya eh.
Dali natin sa sasakyan tapos ilagay natin sa kuwat isa. Ganda alaga to. Sarap. Oo, sarap.
Germany. Sarap yan.
Sick, feeling sicker than you know. Killed a bird without a stone. Talk the talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee. The curiosity. Give the cat a laugh, you see, you see, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. We made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor, and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. time and space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lately made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
Anong masasabi mo sa ating tambayan? Goods?
Hangin, no?
Mangin? Si
Wala
Mangin?
ng gula.
Si Mangin? Oo?
Ikaw.
Ay, bata oh. Goods lang? First time namin dito sa lugar na to. At grabe, sobrang daming tao. Green field siya. At pwede ka mag-camp, 24 hours open siya, free, walang bayad. So dito sa banda rito, banda doon, karsada. At dito naman may lawa, yun, tapos may bundok, mamaya may sunset yan, maganda yung sunset yan. So maghihintay kami dito hanggang bukas siguro. Tutulog na lang kami dito, wala kami dalang tent. Bahala na, basta may pagkain kahit walang tulugan.
Pipilihan naman. Pero malayo.
Mahangin,
Banyo,
sarap.
walang banyo dito.
Walang banyo, may banyo pero doon 10 baht isa.
Iiba naman siya.
Okay, Saranggola. Taas ng lipad. Dragon. Mataas pa rin ang araw. Anong oras na? Tingnan nyo kung kano karaming tao kasi bukas is holiday dito sa Thailand.
Oras na? Ito.
Ang oras natin ay 5:22. So anong oras ang sunset?
Sabi ay 6:40.
Ang sunset ay
Isang oras pa.
6:42. So bali isang oras pa. So yan, malaking lawa yan. Buti hindi masyadong mainit. Kahit tirik ang araw, at least mahangin. Hindi masyadong masakit sa balat. So dito may mapagkain kami din eh. Ready to go anywhere, anywhere. Lipton. Kasi bawal soft drinks. Kasi walang pambili. So bali dito pala is pwede ka bumili ng pakain ng kambing. Ito.
Milk or
So pwede mo pakainin sila for only 20 baht. Ayan. Parang kasya sa sasakyan ito. Ano? Parang kasya sa sasakyan to. Oh?
Look up.
Gusto mo sumama sa amin?
Ito pa, sige pa.
I guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best. thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Tingnan na ang dragon. Picture sa dragon mo. Ayusin mo. Lapit.
Porcelain stuck to your teeth.
Tapos
You
may
got
dragon mo. Hindi
porcelain
mo nakita eh.
under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain. Du-du-du-du-du-du.
Let's go now. Time check. Uwian. 6:33. Bye-bye.
Tara, tara, naiiyak ako.